Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. Monday, November 20th, 2023. 2 more weeks for this November. Time flies. How was your weekend, everybody? Let me know. Share your weekend. How was your weekend? Where are you from in the world? Let me know. Country, state, city. What are your plans for the coming week? Don't forget, Thanksgiving coming up Thursday. Stock market is closed. So, who is with me? Let me know. Don't be shy. Say hi. Don't be shy. Who is with me? Let me know that everything you see, that you can see me and hear me. We'll appreciate the feedback. So we have futures. Hi, Aviad. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you for saying hi. Who else? Don't be shy. Come on. Say hi, 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 hello, hi. Get that chat working. Hi, Amir. Hi, Moti. Thank you very much for joining. Hi, Rafael. How was your weekend? I hope everyone had a pretty quiet weekend all around. What's your plan for the coming week? As I said, Thursday, market is closed. We have Thanksgiving, and then Black Friday. Hi, Faiz. Thank you very much for joining. By the way, if you want, check the link that I just posted. You don't want to miss this out. Early Black Friday sale. Use the code Black Friday to grab your 3 months of premium room access for $195 per day. It's less than your daily cup of coffee. You will gain access for 3 months. $117 instead of the regular price, $177, and once again it's $195 per day, $975 per week, and you will get access to this room. Premium room. Where we go, you will get also, not only for the premium room, let me make it bigger a little bit. You will get access for the premium room and to the exclusive requests. You have the premium room, which is a private Q&A Discord channel. Under Fibonacci Traders Discord, we have this premium room where we go and share ideas, ask questions, we get answers, and we have the exclusive requests. If you have any exclusive requests that you don't want to get lost in this room during the chat, during hours, you can post it over here and you will get your questions answered. So check it out. Black Friday, we have this amazing discount. Check it out. Hi, Mayor. Hi, Kobe. Hi, Faiz. Thank you very much. What do you say about this week to take trade or not this week? Well, it depends. First, it's a short week, okay? Even though it's only Thursday closing, from my experience, also Friday will not be such a good environment for trading, but you can never know. You can never know. You have also Nvidia earnings Tuesday after the close. So take all of this under consideration. You can take trades if you see something, if you see setups, you can take trades from today until Wednesday. It's also swing trading. Or if you just small size, take swing trading during this week with smaller size than usual. If you see the setup, of course, smaller size, and keep it on till next week until it stops working. And of course, you don't have to trade. It's also good. Don't trade. You're your own boss. It's your own business. You don't have to come to work. You don't have to put, nobody tells you that you need and you must put a trade every day. You don't. So this is my take on this week. So we have futures 2 hours over here, basically moving between 44.95 to the downside, 45.23 to the upside, and we have this middle range over here, this middle level, the 45.06, resistance over here, support over here, below the 45.06, we will see 44.95, below 44.95, in my opinion, 44.73, and then back to the 44.23. This is how it looks. Futures, 15 minutes, we have an uptrend, lower highs, as you can see, lower highs, but we also have, higher lows, and we also have lower highs. So, and as you can see, once again, this trend line is holding. We can start taking our short position once this trend line is breaking to the downside towards 45.08 and then 45.04 and then 45. If you want to go long, about 45.12 towards 45.15 and then 45.20. What else do we have? Where is this one here? What do you say? We have the chat. You can see it over here. Very nice addition. Let me know what you think about seeing this chat over here. Nice addition. What else? What else are you looking for? Let me just close this one here. Let's see. Yeah, we need to see. Okay, so SPY on the daily. As we can see, now the 450. 450 is this area over here. The support of these past 3 sessions. Closing below it, and we will retest this trend line over here. QQQ, nothing much in the past week, but look at this, 388, which is July's highs in the past 4 days last week. It was a very tough resistance. Let's see if bulls of Qs can break up and above, and then we will enter to this uptrend channel towards the 400. Dow Jones, 4 consecutive dojis, 350, very tough resistance. Look left, it was resistance over here, support over here. So now with price action, and as we know, the behavioral price action from support to resistance, now once again resistance, breaking up and above, and we will meet this red trend line to the upside. IWM, we are still waiting for a break above the 181 area, the 180, 181. Very important area of support, now becomes very tough resistance. Let's see. Continuation above 181, and then bulls of IWM will come strong towards the 190 and then towards the 200. If you still didn't see my weekly edition for the market review, check it out. This is the link for the market review. And you have top stocks that you must have on your watch list for this short week in going towards next week. So check this, both links before the opening bell. KRE hanging above the 44 area, 44.50. Next will be the 46.65. High offer. Thank you very much for joining. Tal, I buy Meta in 339, 340. what do you think should be the stop loss? First, I hope you have a stop loss in the machine. Second, it's not so healthy. I appreciate your trust in me, but it's not healthy to ask someone on social media what they think about where to put the stop loss, where to buy, what to sell, where to sell, and how to manage the position. First, because I don't know your risk tolerance. Second, you don't know my risk tolerance. Third, I don't know your strategy. You don't know my strategy. You know my strategy because you see me every day. But in the end of the day, it's your money. You must know how to take care of your money. So for your question, if I was to buy 340, basically at the high of last week, you bought it. Now, if I was you, my stop loss should be the buying price minus ATR. If you don't know how to use ATR, you're more than welcome to check Fibonacci Academy playlist. This is the playlist. You're more than welcome to check it out. Sorry, 1 second. I will share this. This is the link for the Fibonacci Academy playlist. Free playlist, 26 videos on how to become a better trader. Technical side and the psychology side. Never neglect your psychology. Never neglect the mentality, the psychology behind trading. So, if you want to know how to put your stop loss and how to manage your stop loss, go to this playlist, check all the videos, and one specific video is how to use ATR to manage your stop loss. So, hope it answers your question. And once again, please never ask. It's good to ask ideas, ask opinions, but in the end of the day, please, ladies and gentlemen, do your own due diligence. Do your own risk management. It's your money. I will say it over and over and over again. It's your money. No one will take care of your money except you. No one. Basically, no one cares about your money except you. In terms of investing, in terms of trading. And if you want to take your trading journey to the highest level, check the links in the description below. You have the one-on-one mentorship live or the pre-recorded online program. Both programs available in English, Hebrew, lifetime access for support, guidance, and all Discord channels. Lifetime access. You heard me right. One-time payment. And it's life. It's for life. No small letters. No nothing behind. So basically, we need to wait to see how the market will open. Nothing much on futures. Meta. We just talked about Meta. Do you with market or limit? Always market. The what? Buy? I always buy market. Always buy market price. My stop? Stop, not stop limit. Stop, hard stop. I don't use trailing stops. I use market to buy for long, market sell for short, and I use stop, hard stop. No trailing stop. Hi, Leah. Have you answered my Discord? Let's see. Leah? Okay, we'll talk about it later in the Discord. We will fix it, Leah. Don't worry. Hi, Tamir. Can you see coin? I can see coin. What do you want me to see on coin? This is the question. What do you see on coin? It doesn't matter what I see. It matters what you see. Who asked about coin? Kobe. What do you see about coin? Let me know. What do you see about coin? Are you already in position? Long, short? What kind of position? What is your entry price? Where is your stop loss? What do you see? We had this zone, broke above this zone post earnings. Now, what is this line tells you? Uptrend until proven otherwise. Always use ATR, and you also can use Fibonacci to manage your risk. Long continuation above the 101 towards 111.82. Your risk should be just below the 94. What else? Does Fibonacci can be used with a long-term investment, not for quick trades? Of course. What do you want to invest in? Which name you want to invest in? Which one? Qs. Let's check Qs. Let's go Qs. If you're talking about long investment, so you need to check the monthly, right? Because you're not talking about 1 or 2 weeks. You're talking about monthly. Kobe, I hope it answered your question. Let me know. If not, we will go back to coin. Monthly investment on coin. On QQQ. What do you see here? Uptrend. Now let's see, you are still not invested in Qs. Is it a good time to go long on the Qs or not? First, take trend lines. Trend lines will show you the way. Take this trend line over here. See? Low, low, low. More low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and October 2022, all these higher lows. Now you can take Fibonacci. Swing low, swing high. There you have it. That's it. So, is it a good time to go long or short on the Qs? Let me know. What do you think? You don't even need candles. Do like this. You all, or most of you, you follow EMAs, MAs, right? Use different kind of moving averages, right? Some of you use the 21, right? Some of you use the 50, for example. Some of you use what? The 100? Some of you use the 200, right? Some of you use this, or this. Okay? Now the 200, as you can see, it's not relevant. So no need it. This is relevant? No need it. This is relevant, all these two. Which one is more relevant? None of them, because if you go to line chart, which is this white line, is pure price action. This is price. So I need to rely on moving averages when they are all lagging. Use this line, that's it. Don't use other line. Use this line. This is price. Use it. What do you see? Low, higher low. Now you have this high, right? Closing above it. Another 3-4 days, maybe this week, closing above this high. Take Fibonacci. And that's it. It's that easy. Technical analysis should be easy. Why? because trading is super hard. So technical analysis should be easy. Make it easy. More easy than this. Now you let me know. You tell me, would you go short or long now on the Qs and the monthly? You don't care what's going on the daily. You don't care what's going on at the 15 minutes. You care what's going on in the monthly. Because you want to invest on the long term on the Qs. If you are not invested yet, let me know. Is this a good? You can also take this one here, but this is more accurate. Let me know. Is this a good time or not? And then you have all the levels to the upside for future support and resistance. You know, you want to see how it works? This is how it works. You want to know how something works? Go back and backtest it. How you backtest? You take, let's say, this uptrend from March 99 to March 2000. Take this uptrend. Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. Right? Go left. Go right, sorry. You see? It gives you everything that you need. You want to be more accurate? Go to candles. Go to one line. Go to one. Go here. February 20 until this high. COVID lows, July highs, November 21 highs. Look, uptrend, retracement, 50%, held, boom to the upside. Now 337, 340 is the support. Next resistance 410, above 410, 524. This is it. So yes, to your question, you can do everything with Fibonacci. It depends on the time frame that you are trading on. What's your recommend on risk from the case should be? Sorry, David, I don't understand the question. Risk from the case should be 1 or 2%. I don't. If you're referring to risk management, I don't use percentage. I use hard. How do you say it? Hard amount. For instance, $50 per trade, $100 per trade. But I don't do like this. I do like, this is what everybody should do. How much are you willing to lose in a single trading week? What's your stop loss? How much are you willing to lose in 1 week? $1,000? Okay. Now how many trading days you have per week? In a normal week, you have 5 trading days. So take this $1,000, divide by 5. You are willing to risk $200 per day. Now, ask yourself the next question. How much are you willing to risk? How much are you willing to lose on each and every trade? And it doesn't matter how much money you have in your bank account. I know people with $1 million in the bank account, but once they lose $50 or $60 per trade, they start sweating. So, which is perfectly fine. It's all about the psychology behind trading, your mentality, okay? Your mental resilience. How much are you not willing to lose? How much can you lose before you start sweating, before you start feeling uncomfortable with the amount you lost? Let's say, for the example, you're willing to lose $50 per trade. So you have 200 per day, 50 per trade. You can take 4 trades in a day. That's it. Even if you won 4 trades, that's it. This is your maximum trades, 4 trades a day. And it doesn't matter if you lost all these 4 trades or you won all these 4 trades. After 4 trades, you're out. That's it. To find points and entry on Twitter. Twitter, I'm sorry to tell you, but since 1 year or so, there is no ticker. Twitter is off the market until no one knows. We need to ask Elon Musk. What do you mean no good time, Liron? Only when the resistance will break. Which resistance? It already broke. You're waiting for this resistance? You can. But 3 months of downside, 3 weeks upside. This is why we use Fibonacci. Think less. We don't want to think too much. This area now is the support, the 370. And you have ATR also on the monthly. Use ATR and your trading and your entry. Once again, go to this. You have low, higher low, higher low, higher low, high. This high is at the 384. We are already at the 386. So wait another 2-3 days, maybe to the end of this week. See where it goes. But no matter where it goes, you will have higher highs. What else? Hi, Sally. How are you? It's on my watch list trading view. I didn't see the last. Yeah. So you need to refresh your... watch list. This is why I do. To save you time. Top stocks to watch for every week. Check the links in the description below. Let's see what's going on. Futures. Looks like futures wants to break below this trend line. What's the tool that I'm using for Fibonacci? Fibonacci. This one. Over here. Fibonacci. You have many tools. You have also the Fibonacci circle. Look. You have many tools. I use Fibonacci retracement. It took me 1 year. 1 year to really understand how to get the most of this tool. Of course, including together with trend lines. And of course, you need to go to the basics. Because most of us, we don't know how to read candles. What else? Can you see support? And for Tesla. Tesla. Here is Tesla. This gap is still open. As you can see, the high of this candle was 22540. The low of this candle 22650, still an open gap. This gap needs to get filled. Sooner the better. Next resistance, 247, above 247. We are heading towards this red line over here. And you can take Fibonacci once again. Let's clean the chart. You can use Fibonacci trend lines to help you know the trend lines. And you can use Fibonacci levels to help you with the next support and resistance. This is too much, I know. So you can use this. Long continuation above 237 towards the 251. Above 251, 270, and then 295 to the upside. This 228, 37 needs to hold. Otherwise, we are heading back to 219. Once again, let me remind you about our very nice special Black Friday deal. 34% off for our premium room and exclusive request room. Private Q&A, 2 rooms, day trading, swing tradings, helping each other. You have 24/7, not 24/7, but you get the idea. Access to me. I will answer all your questions. All for $195 per day for 3 months. $195 per day. I think it's a better investment in yourself than your morning coffee. Hi Asaf, hi Aslan. What else do we have? Well, I don't have here, I don't know. Any other questions? Any other requests? NVIDIA. Nobody asked about NVIDIA. The most significant economic event on the calendar for this week. Good reaction. And we will see 583, in my opinion, by the end of this year. Bad reaction. And we are going back to the 390. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know in the chat. What do you think? NVIDIA. Are you holding NVIDIA? If so, are you holding NVIDIA through the earnings? Let me know. Very interesting to know. What do you think about NVIDIA? Where NVIDIA is heading? 580 by the end of 2023 or back to the 390? Still inside this zone. Baba, last but not least. Hi Stanislav, thank you very much for joining. Baba, what do you see? What do you see here? Line chart, very simple, no need nothing else. What do you see? You take a trend line. Trend lines helps you to identify the trend. So what do you see? Downtrend until proven otherwise. This is Baba. M. Macy's. Now, let's see continuation. We have this gap over here. This gap is still open. We need to close it. Once this gap will get filled, we will go back a little bit. For 14.10 will be the next support. We have another gap over here. So Macy's basically for now looks good for long continuation. Of course, manage your risk according to Fibonacci and the ATR. BBY. I think BBY also have earnings coming up this week, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. Tuesday. I think before the open. Tomorrow. Before the opening bell. Check it out. Check these things out. You need to know the earnings calendar. BBY. Doesn't matter what I think because tomorrow have earnings. So it doesn't matter what I think. But overall, BBY is in a downtrend till proven otherwise. Roku. PLTR. PLTR, go and check. I've talked about PLTR in... No, I haven't talked about PLTR. So what do you want? PLTR or Roku? PLTR. Roku, I saw it. Doesn't look good for long continuation in my opinion. PLTR looks stronger now. Roku needs some cool off. PLTR breaking above this area. Look at this. Support, resistance, now breaking up and above, and this from resistance will become support. Where to next? Don't break your head. Fibonacci. Next is 2250 and then 2570. Roku, just for you. Need some cool off after earnings. And as you can see, we are entering a very tough resistance zone. All this area. Look left. All this area. Very tough resistance. Resistance. So, with high probability, it was also support over here, if you can see. So with high probability, all this red zone will become a tough resistance. So if you're long already on Roku, cheers. Good work. Start managing your risk very, very tight. If Roku will end the week above this zone, you can always add once again. What else do we have? So I hope everyone, thank you very much for joining this live. I hope you found it helpful, educational. If yes, like, subscribe, share with friends. If not, also like and subscribe. It's free. Maybe tomorrow you will find it more educational and helpful. So until the next video, until the next live, thank you very much for joining, and please stay safe.